my channel. It's your girl Beauty Name, and in today's video I come bearing good news. I'm finally chasing my dreams. Yes, I'm finally doing that I've always wanted to do. So from the title of the video, I'm going to be unboxing my machine. I got a new machine. I don't know if you heard that part. I got a new machine. Like on the receipt, my name is what is written there. Nobody's name except from mine. Yeah. So for like 2 years now, I've been off sewing. I'll not even say I'm a fashion designer. I'll say I'm a tailor because I was tailoring clothes. But now I want to go deeply into the art of fashion designing. Aside from my natural hair content and the lifestyle thing, vlogging and everything, I also want to go back into being a fashion designer. And after school, even before my 400 level, during the old COVID thing, I had to stop sewing because I was in Lagos most of the times. And I had a sewing machine at home, but it wasn't in my name because my mom is also a fashion designer. And it was like a manual sewing machine. So I couldn't bring it when I was coming to Lagos because we'll be carrying the manual top and the leg again. So I had to like get a new one. And I've meant to have done this like months back, but it's like I'm just getting myself and my life. So I decided to get this. This is my new baby, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the butterfly jh8190s. Big girl doing big things. But really, I got this machine because I didn't want to go too professional. I have that bad habit of when I want to do something new, I always want to aim for that professional level. So whatever instrument I'll be getting, it has to be professional. So I felt at this point I will not be able to do that because these things don't come cheap, especially in this Buhari's regime. It don't come cheap. So I had to get something that will not be too basic but will not also be too professional, so that when I get to that pro level, I'll still be able to use it. And now that I'm still like a beginner, I'll call myself a beginner because now I'm going into the art of pattern drafting, fashion illustration, all those. So I want something that will be able to serve me as a beginner and also as, should I say, an intermediate. Yeah. So I got this and I watched a lot of review videos before I got this one. I had another one in mind, but this is the one I finally opted for. So I got this machine for a lesser price. When I first saw it on Jumia, and then I felt okay, maybe because they were doing sales and all. So when I asked someone close to me, she told me she got her own from a very trusted person in Lagos Island Market, Eco Market. So she linked me up, and the person sold it 6,000 naira cheaper than what was on Jumia. So instead of buying this for 56,000 naira plus, okay, it was 57,000 naira on Jumia plus the 10% discount off stuff, it became 56. So instead of buying this 56 from Jumia, I got it 50,000 naira from Eco Market. But of course, I went there myself. They didn't deliver because I wanted to see it for myself. I was so excited. But of course, I had to pay money for transport. So let's just say maybe everything plus transport probably be like 52,000 or thereabouts, which is still a good market if you ask me. But finally opened it, and this is what the machine looks like. That's what they call earring. Okay, so I think the body is more of a plastic, but I guess it's a, what's it called, a harder form of plastic, like a durable one or something. So when I got this, I was told it has just 7 stitches, but counting this right now, I could count 14, but I'm going to confirm here if it's actually 14 because this shows the stitch. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. They're actually 14. Then it has this reverse button where you could help you reverse your clothes. Then there's the bobbin thread reeler. It could help you reel your thread. Then how to connect and pass this thing. Now this is not manual machine, I'm more used to manual machine. So it also came with this clothes. I think this shows the amount of stitch or stitches that are there, and I can count 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm just hoping it's not just 7 that is actually here. Then from the review videos I saw, I think this has a compartment. Why is it not open? Oh, okay, it does. It has a compartment and there's something inside. So it comes with all of this, which I don't think I know what they are used for. But this is the oil. I think this is just to oil the important parts of the machine. These are the colorful bobbins. I don't know why they are putting color there. Maybe they think it's baby that wants to use it. Blue, green, and yellow. Then I think this brush is for cleaning. I'm not so sure, but I'll figure that out. I don't know what this is, but we'll figure it out. I think this one is the buttonhole foot. It should go into the machine this way. Then this are the needles. Definitely everybody knows this is noodle. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. I think this is another footer, but I'm going to figure it all out, sha. It should be in a manual somewhere. I think this should come with a manual. It should come with a manual. So I'm just going to put it back. How do you put this back? How did I remove this? Okay. Oh, and it's easy to put back actually. So inside the box, I already opened this. There is the footer, or is it peddler? I'm not sure. So I think this should have, oh yeah, it does. It has somewhere to plug this in. It has on and off switch. Then it has a three mouth fuse. So I don't have to use extension box or be using igishano or igigbale to be holding it. So this comes durable. The only issue is that I'm not so good at using this foot because I was taught with manual machine. So I probably have to like learn and practice for a while before I can be good at using this machine. Then in the box comes this clothes. I think this is for, what is this for? Oh, okay. I think this is for covering up in case just to avoid dust and all of that. Oh, and it comes with label. Haha. My machine comes with label for you to know that it's a new one. Okay. Then it comes with a manual. So yeah, it comes with an instruction manual. Oh, it's actually Chinese. Hey, Chinese people do instruction manual. But luckily it's written in English. Ha, that's good. There are 42 list of content here, probably showing me how to use this machine and all of that. Wow. 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 And I prepared if it was colorful actually. Since they already put colored bobbins there, should be I'm a child. But this looks like it's self-explanatory. There's text around it, sharp. So this is what it comes with. And I really don't know how to use this yet, but I know I'm going to figure it out. Let me try this whole footer thing. Okay, so I just plugged this and I've not switched it on yet, but this is going to be on the floor. This is where your leg is meant to stay on while you are sewing. But I'm not going to put it on the table so you can see how it works. So let's on this. Oh, the lights came on immediately I switched it on. See? Off, on. I don't know where this light is, but there's a light there. I don't have a thread here. I've not threaded this, but I just want you to see how it moves. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I think it's on another stitch. Let me put it to a normal stitch. Whoa, that's nice. It's not sewing because I've not threaded the top part. I just wanted you to see the movement. Yeah. Boo. So that's that. And oh, it already even came with a thread underneath. Let me see how do you open this to get to the bobbin part? Bye. Hey, oh, okay. Okay. So it already came with a thread. I'm just going to open this. So like they gave me free thread. So there's already yellow reeled. So this thing came with 4 bobbins because this should be the 4th one. So there's already yellow reeled thread, and it's well oiled because I can still feel the oil in my hands. Okay. So this is what the machine looks like, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to start to use it. I can't wait to start to sew some really nice styles, because the styles down my head or more. I can't wait to start to sew some nice things. So this why is this one not entering? Right, okay. So this right here is my new baby, and I'm going back to fashion designing like I've said earlier. So wish me luck, and when I become a pro, I'm going to let you guys know. So you'll be bringing your clothes for me to sew, but for now I'm still trying to do some humble beginnings. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited to be chasing this dream of fashion designing after like so many years. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be doing some fashion haul. I'm going to be wearing some of my clothes for you to see. If you like any of them, let me know. I'm ready to sew for you. Very ready. Just have your money in your hand. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to be seeing you in one of my other videos. Bye for now. I love you all so much, and I'm going to be putting this out there. Chase that dream. It's not too late to chase that dream. Save up money, whatever way you used to get the instrument for the dreams you have, get it, because they are valid. Your dreams are valid. This is dropping motivational quotes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in one of my other videos. Bye, guys. I love you all. Bye, darlings.